Hello and welcome to MindSync. I am Swati from MindSync. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, and advisory services. Packaging used to transport hazardous materials must be certified. Indian Institute of Packaging in India issue IIP certificate, commonly known as UN certificate, for packages containing hazardous or dangerous goods for transportation by air, sea, and road. UN certification is a worldwide recognized certification program for the identification, labeling, packaging, and certification of hazardous goods, ensuring safe transport. This video by MindSync is for all the packaging manufacturer dealing in hazardous goods to guide them how the UN certification is important for their business. Do watch the video till the end. The Ministry of Commerce and Industries administers the Indian Institute of Packaging. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, under Ministry of Civil Aviation, have designated the Indian Institute of Packaging as a nodal institution for conducting different bulk package performance tests and issuing IIP certification. Indian Institute of Packaging (IIP) act as a nodal body for granting UN certificates and conducting packaging testing for exporting dangerous commodities and hazardous chemicals. UN certification is mandatory for packages shipped by water or air from India that are classified as hazardous or dangerous. Institute contains well-equipped facilities for the testing based on fulfillment of different regulations like International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code (IMDG) for sea transportation and International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO) for air transportation. While applying for the UN certification, the applicant must know certain regulations set up by the institute, such as the application for UN certification can be done by the packaging manufacturer and not by the exporter. For each product sample, different application is required. Suppose if applying for two different sample, one is plastic drum and other corrugated fiber box, then two different application is to be made. If the sample is exported through sea as well as air, then two separate application is to be made for both sea and air for the same sample. Both filled and unfilled product sample is required for lab testing. After fulfilling all the requirements, then only application is processed for approval. Dangerous goods are products that have physical and chemical properties, which if not properly controlled, poses a risk to human health and safety as well as infrastructure. The UN Model Regulations provide a classification system for dividing dangerous goods into different classes. Each hazardous substance or item is given a class. There are 9 categories for dangerous goods, and each category's classification is based on the kind of risk it poses. For example, Class 1 covers explosives products. Class 2 includes flammable gases, non-flammable, non-toxic, and toxic gases. Examples of gases include aerosols and fire extinguishers. The entity first have to identify the dangerous goods class for which the packaging material is to be used before applying for the certification. MindSync has provided a complete list of the types of packaging material which can be tested at IIP for UN certification. Some of which are non-removable head steel drum with 1A1 identification code, fiber drum, aluminium box, fiber board box, water-resistant, woven plastic bag, plastic receptacle within a protective steel drum, glass, porcelain, or stoneware receptacles within a protective steel drum. Flexible intermediate bulk container FIBC is a jumbo or bulk bag designed and approved to transport and store hazardous materials. It is a type of industrial fabric container used for storing and transporting dry goods like plastic granules, fertilizer, sand, etc. Among all available bulk packaging options, FIBC is the most cost-effective, UV-stabilized, and moisture-free option. The FIBC bags must undergo a series of performance tests, such as top lift, stacking, drop, topple, writing, tear test, in order to obtain UN certification. As we have seen, different classes of dangerous goods, one such hazardous product, falling under Class 9 as the expandable polystyrene. EPS is a molding material in bead or granular form consisting of polystyrene. EPS is described under UN classification number 2211, covered under hazard class 9, and the UN packaging group as 3, with low degree of risk. An application shall be made to IIP by the packaging manufacturer. The sample is to be sent to the nearest IIP testing facility for testing such as drop test, stack load test, hydraulic pressure test, vibration test, as applicable shall be carried out. After satisfactory performance of the sample packages, the certificate is issued by the Indian Institute of Packaging. Issuance of digital UN certificate and test report and generation of UN marking number, as specified, to the packaging manufacturer. If you require any support on IIP certification for your product, or any type of registration and license, contact MindSync. We will be happy to help you. Link given in the description box of more such videos. Stay tuned with MindSync. Thank you.